Hey guys, Happy Dude here. Now, I already showed you how to remove your S3 or RS3 badge on your Audi. In case you missed it, here it is again. All you need to do is press the clip on the back upwards. It does take some force. Okay, I got it. So it's this clip right here that you have to push upwards. It hooks on this little clip here on the back. Now, I made that video because I'm removing all badges on my Audi. As you can see, the badge in the back is already gone. Same with the Audi logo here on the trunk, also gone, because I don't want this car to stick out in traffic, you know, for police officers and such. So it's very easy to remove them on the back. All you need is a heat cannon and something soft to remove the badges, like a piece of plastic or some fishing wire, and then some sticker dissolvement. That's all you need. And then you just need to polish the trunk so you don't have any edges. That's all you need to do in the back. But for the front, it's a bit more difficult. As you can see, you still have this square piece of plastic in the grille, and you can't cut it out because it's molded into the grille and this piece right here. So the only thing possible is to replace that with something else. But I couldn't find any badge that would fit in there, so I'm gonna try to remove these letters from this piece of plastic and then replace it with something else. Let's see if that will work. Okay, let's see if we can remove it with some heat. So just the same as I removed the badges on the back of my car. I'm gonna set it to 150 degrees Celsius. Okay, let's see if it works. Oh yeah, yes, the letters are coming loose. So it doesn't take a lot of heat since it's plastic. And there we go. That's number one. And now the S. The red square is going to take some more heat. Okay, yeah, it's coming. Yep, there it is. Now, this glue is actually pretty easy to remove. All you need to do is rub over it, not with your nails, but with your skin. And as you can see, you can simply roll it off. And then for the little glue remains, you can use glue dissolver. Okay, so let's put on some glue dissolvement onto the black piece of plastic, and once it's applied, you only need to wait for about 5 minutes, and then you rub it again
and you will take all the glue off.
Okay, let's start rubbing it. Okay, I think all the glue is now gone. Yeah, it's completely gone. Now, if you want to completely remove those edges from the letters, then you will need to sand it and repaint it. That's the only way. Okay, now I'm gonna use some alcohol to remove all the grease. And after we've done that, you can put anything you want on there, like your own designed sticker, or in my case, this Quattro logo. Now, if you want to put a sticker on there, you will need to make it completely flat, because as you can see, we have a little edge here. So that's the only thing you will need to do. Now I am going to sand just the middle part, so the glue has something to hold on to. And I'm going to do the same for the back of this Quattro logo. Now I can prepare my epoxy glue. This is for plastic and metal. We just have to mix it up and then just wait for 2 minutes. And in the meantime, we can degrease everything again. Okay, let's put the glue on there. And I'm also going to put some of the glue on here. Okay, and now we wait for about 2 minutes. Now make sure that you don't glue it on upside down, so the clip has to point down. Now, if you have a little bit of glue that's spilled over, you can always use the dissolvent to remove that. Okay, now let's let that dry for about an hour, and then that will be super strong.
Okay, so while the glue was drying, I made some designs that I'm going to send to my friend, because he has a machine to make high quality stickers, and then I can make a few badges for myself and then swap them. If you guys want any stickers, just let me know.
Okay, the glue is now completely dry, and I also cleaned it up, so we don't have any glue that's spilling out. Okay, let's put it on the car. Okay, let's put it on. Oh yes, that looks nice. And it doesn't stick out like that red S3 badge. Now, make sure you don't forget to like the video and subscribe, because I'm also going to replace these rings with white LEDs.